Okay, welcome along. So let's have a look at this video. How do you build your email list? So what you want to do is think about your main businesses. So here's two of my main businesses. The first one is coaching, how to create these high ticket items and that type of thing. And the second one is actually funnel building, website building to help people get leads that they can do themselves. So one is where I do and coach, the other one where they're able to do. But the market is the same. So think about your market and think about who you're selling to and the three biggest struggles that they have. So in my market, what we know that content is a struggle for people, like how to create the right content, how to get leads, and then also how to generate high income from those leads. So if you're in weight loss, it'll be slightly different, anxiety will be different, but you're going to have three main areas. You can't just rely on one. My advice is to have three. So this is the first one here. I've got many of these, but this is just an example. So all of these that I'm going to show you here go into MailerLite. I'll put a link in the chat, sorry, in the description. And what's going to happen is they're going to come onto here. We're going to go into Facebook groups. This is for hypnotherapy and NLP practitioners. We're going to go into Facebook groups and we're going to say, hey, would you like some training on how to get more clients? And what I've done in the back end here is created a video showing them exactly how to do that. So what we do is they come on here, they click on the button. Now, what we've found is that having a pop-up button works so much better than just having the form. I don't know why, it just does. It just does. So we ask for their name, their email, and their phone number. A lot of people don't give, or they give a false phone number. Some do give the right one, and if they do, we phone them up, ask them how the training is, and I suggest you might do that as well. As we go down this page, then we've got information about the training they're going to get, and then another ability to log into that training. So that's the first one. So this is where we help people get leads, okay? The big struggle in their business. The next one is when they have leads, how do they move them to something where they can get kind of much higher pay, basically, for those lead generation. And again, you'll see here, we have a nice image. We have a pop-up here, name, email, and phone number. And then we tell them what they're going to get, reserve their spot, and a little bit about me. So when you're doing your landing pages to build your opt-in, to build your email list, then I'd suggest that you have some detail on the page, because these are what are showing us are converting best without a doubt, which is not just having the title that you can see here. What it is actually having more information about what they're going to learn, because people want the information, they just don't want another email, right? Understandably. And the final one is the content one. So we found, and I find that podcasting is the brilliant way to make contact, a brilliant way to make content, a brilliant way to make contact with brand new people, to promote oneself. And again, you can see that they're going to get here, they're going to get the name, email, where we're going to text them if there's a training, so the phone number and where they are as well. And this one is a high converting one. We're seeing a split test here, one version of it. The other version has the details below. So just to recap, when you want to build your email list, you want to think about your main business and the issues and the challenges that they have, that people have, your prospects. Create at least 2 or 3 different downloads or bits of information. And what you're going to do, you're going to test those out, what's worked. Now, at the end of this video, there'll be another video on how to actually create these opt-in pages. So stay around and look out for that. And then from there, you're going to put them into an automated email list. So we use MailerLite, been using it for years, very, very good, highly recommended. And MailerLite has some tricks and tips in there that really make email marketing so much easier. You can build your list and you can do it. So everybody who gets promoted put into here, into here, into here, these 3 main areas, they're all going to be promoted into my coaching program. And if not, to actually build a funnel, and the video at the end of this video that you'll see coming up teaches you how to do that in here. And then they get put into MailerLite. And from there, there's an automated email that goes out promoting those. Over 5 days, they get 1 email a day talking about me, my business, and what they're going to get out of it, and then a special offer at the end. And all you're going to do is just rinse and repeat and do that day after day after day. And what we're going to do eventually is actually teach you, and I will talk about outsourcing at some point on this channel, where you're going to get an outsourcer to share all these things out so you don't have to do it. And then you're building your email list virtually on automation It's going out, your outsource is sharing them, your emails are being, people are logging in, giving you their email addresses, then automated and going either to your business or to affiliate links. And that's how to build your email list. So at the end of this video, look out and there'll be a video on how to actually build that. And any questions, comments below. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video and hit the bell if you're interested in more of these training videos, and comment below with any questions and I'm happy to answer them. That's it. Have a great day. Take care.